entering Sun Siyam Olhuveli. Looks amazing, looks so beautiful. Welcome juice, fresh towel to clean your face.
This is familia, let's go. And finally we want to show you the real Maldivian experience. We just came to our resorts.
Our water villa. So this is the water villa right here in Sun Siyam Hotel. So let's check it out.
So guys, we just came to our water villa and we are trying one of the pools they are having. It's super beautiful. It's just here at the beach and we are actually having activities here. We will have a lion band in the dinner. We will have a fire show in the adults only island. It's actually just somewhere just here, but as we are with the kids, we will skip that one. And basically aqua aerobics, that's what we are going to have now, because one guy came here and he asked if we are going to join, so Adrian is joining them. Soon we will show you the video how he is losing the weight, and me enjoying cocktails here, which are super expensive, so every sip I'm taking, I'm enjoying it. Like one cocktail can cost you like $18. Well, that's a really luxury holiday that we are having. And basically we are just trying things out here, so we will show you now one of the pool, and after we will show you the dinner, we will show you the restaurants, then we will show you the breakfast that we are going to have. So we want to show you everything about this place, Sun Siyam. We already find it wonderful. It's beautiful, the sand is super nice, the colors here colors are of Maldives. What is your name?
Anjo, my name is Anjo.
Anjo. So now Adrian is going to do the aqua aerobics, right? With Anjo.
Yeah, thank
Adrian, good luck. I hope you lose so much weight.
you. I don't think so.
What's good?
I was late.
Wow! Oh my God! Give me 5. You're amazing. How was it?
It was so good.
Good, perfect.
You're like breathing and then in the water. I touched you.
So here Adrian is ironing our stuff. We are getting green today. Here is Adrian's t-shirt, my dress. Alex is going with this t-shirt and the shorts, and Amelie is having something flowery. Nothing to do with the green, but that's the only thing we have. Thank you. Don't worry, just iron it. I will understand how to put it. And look at the view. It's getting dark and the colors are not so visible, but still you can see the beautiful blue. We actually love this place, no? We are just feeling pity we didn't book more days here, more nights. It's such a short time because this place is so huge, so many places to discover, to see, to eat. How many restaurants they have? Actually, we have a map and it's super huge. We got confused with the restaurants, but it's actually very easy because you get an app and you can reserve a table, you can check the prices, you can check the hours.
Yeah, everything is in the app. So today we arrived today, and now the hotel is quite like a lot of guests. So you need to book like 1 day in advance. So for today we're gonna go to the buffet because you don't need reservation. And for the other ones we found like 9 p.m., 8:30, like super late. So we are just now going to the buffet that we don't need reservation, and if we hurry up, we're gonna see the sunset.
But the guys are having shower and and washing themselves, so basically taking some time. But we want to see the sunset. You still need the ironing? Okay. Yeah. So our room is actually huge. It's beautiful. We are having here the balcony with the sea, with the ocean view. We have a huge bathroom. We have shower. We have a bath that I can't show you because Amelie is getting bath now. But it's very huge. Actually, we love it. It's for families, right?
Amazing for fun.
It's amazing for families, this Overwater villa. How much was it for
Per night
per
now
night?
in January that we are is 500 this water villa per night.
For family
For
of
families.
4.
Yes, 500 per night. Only bed and breakfast. You can choose like half board, all inclusive. You just have to go, and the cheapest price that we found was directly on the website of the hotel, sunsiyam.com. They have like 4 different resorts in Maldives. This one is the closest to Male. The other ones are like super far, and you need to take seaplane, and transportation here is really expensive. So we're gonna make one video about that, only about booking accommodation in Maldives. That is gonna be very useful for you if you are coming here. So yeah, so this one, it was with taxes and everything, 500 per night, bed and breakfast.
Dinner time. Everybody's super hungry.
Yes.
I can see from the faces. So we are going now to get our dinner.
So our villa is the third one right here. So it's very good because we don't need to go so far. Just right here is the bus stop. So every 15 minutes they come here and they can take you to the other places because this place is really big. So there are 3 islands. So we are gonna wait the bus to take us to the restaurant because to walk it may be like 20 minutes, 30 minutes. So we just wait the bus and then we go there.
Hello.
Look at them. Why is like
The moon?
yeah? What's that? Why? Why is like that?
Oh my gosh, Such a beautiful view. This is the Sunset Restaurant. We don't have sunset, it's a little bit cloudy, but still the view is amazing. So this is gonna be our dinner table.
Someone wants. Okay. Masha!
Masha, Elsa.
Good evening. How's going the dinner, guys?
Very tasty.
Good.
It's a buffet, so we can have whatever we want.
Nice. Сумокесимо ж виска. Ага. Hi. Hello. Which ice cream you want, guys? Jurek Chayral vanilla, lime. Orange is lime, Amelia. Orange. Mango? Okay. Puedes agarrar ese. Ya va. Don't worry. Mira, the tinginis. Tinginis siya. Tinginis, guys.
Let's take it.
Ayan. Wow, guys. No. Baby. Tiramisu?
Okay, I take one.
No, one.
Okay, I take like for everyone. Okay? A little bit for everyone.
What else?
Then we try and then we will see which one we want to eat.
Don't worry. Hello.
Hello, how are you?
Good. What is this?
Fashion fruit.
Ah, yeah, passion. It's a watermelon. Yeah. Look. Passion fruit?
Watermelon, more orange.
Yeah, orange. What is papaya? Okay. Thank you. Where are you from?
I'm from Bangladesh.
Bangladesh. Ah, nice.
We have
Papi, apples is house.
almond pudding. Okay, good.
How many ice creams guys you had?
I have one, two, one. This is who is this?
Hmm?
Who is this?
Yours.
Not mine. I didn't eat.
It's mine. Maybe mine.
This is crashed in the accident of the crash, so I didn't eat it. I go to take another.
Chakrabai.
Oh, they wanna live.
I told you.
Hey, girls.
We are crabs hunters.
We're not crabs hunters. We're good people. Look at the fishies.
Sharky. Your shark.
It's a shark?
Yeah.
Yeah, I see. It's a small sharky like that. It's a small, really baby shark. It saw it too. It was a baby.
Oh, what is that?
Maybe it's a dolphin.
Dolphin? Nah.
It's a shark. If you was a baby shark, this the mom shark. White crab.
Where?
White.
And we saw a shark.
Jika Melia,
A small shark.
Jurek white crab.
Happy. Behind you a crab.
Where?
Where is the crab?
What almost bite you? Where? What shark? What shark? Shoot the crab. I don't see it.
Here's a crab.
Why do crabs
Where?
be in the water?
And the shark? Shark is there?
I see, it's coming,
I see
Stingray!
I see This stingray. Look at that big stingray.
Big one.
Also, look at this in the cave.
Okay, sir. Can you take me home, please? Do you remember? All right, let's go.
Gusha. Happy birthday! Wow!
And like this, we finish our first day in this incredible resort. Don't forget to subscribe because we have more videos coming up with a lot of information for you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one with more Familia. Let's go!